Alright, so if your Windows PC feels hot, laggy, or the fans are constantly loud, there's a good chance your CPU usage is too high. In Windows 11, this usually happens because of background apps, bad settings, or overload. So in 2026, let's go step by step and reduce CPU usage properly. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. This shows exactly what's using your CPU. Now click on the CPU column to sort usage. Look for apps or processes using too much power. If you see apps you don't need, right-click and end them. But don't touch System Process unless you're sure. Next, go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary apps. Too many startup programs increase CPU load from the beginning. Some apps constantly run in the background. Uninstall ones you don't use anymore to reduce CPU pressure. Now go to System Settings and restrict background activity. This prevents apps from running when you're not using them. High CPU usage can also come from viruses or malware. Run a full security scan to make sure your system is clean. Make sure your system is updated. Outdated drivers can cause unnecessary CPU load. Switch your power mode to balanced or best performance depending on your needs. Sometimes extreme power settings can spike CPU usage. And finally, restart your PC regularly. It clears temporary processes and resets CPU usage. So yeah, that's how to reduce CPU usage on a Windows PC in 2026. A few smart changes, and your system runs cooler, faster, and smoother.